grade, we are back and I have outlined everything in Sharpie so that you could see what that looked like. Now, if you notice, I have a little bit of pencil that didn't stay on my line. So if I want, I can go through. Actually, I really like my pencil line a lot better than where I put that Sharpie line, but it'll work. Erasing all this stuff. You can go through and just kind of erase everything so that it's nice and neat looking for your color portion of the project. So now, a lot of times when I do this lesson in my classroom, I talk about the color wheel and using complementary colors. This is purple, that really pretty royal purple color that I like, and yellow. Those are complementary colors. They're straight across the color wheel from each other, okay? So you have purple and yellow. Let's pretend this is red, okay? Red, green. Let's say this is orange. I know this is not exact, okay? Can you tell my desk is not level here? Okay. And then we have blue. So this would be your typical color wheel. So blue is complementary of orange, purple is complementary of yellow, and green and red are complementary. This is pink of some kind. So pink is a light red. It's the same thing, okay? You don't have to worry about that. And if it's a different shade of blue or a different shade of green, it does not matter to me one bit, okay? And actually, it's still complementary, so totally fine. Um, However, if you want to do a different color scheme, I'm not going to tell you not to, okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick two colors, and I'm just going to go with these two colors, purple and yellow. So the first thing I'm going to do is my shadows, and since they're a shadow, I'm going to go ahead and use the purple on that part. So everywhere that there's the shadow part, I'm going to use the darker shade. All right. There's my H. Does that make it stand out a lot more? Make it look more exciting, I guess. Now, this color is so dark it looks kind of black on the screen, but it's actually really pretty. If you have red and green, just pick one. It really doesn't matter if they're both darker colors, okay? It doesn't matter. I wouldn't necessarily choose one color over the other. This purple is just nice and dark, so I thought it'd be good for the shadow. And this one, finish that up real quick. Okay, I'm going to give you a choice with this next part also, because I like choices. Okay, so here's your choice. If you want, if you really like that purple color and you don't want to use a lot of yellow, what you could do next is outline around your whole letter really neatly, okay, or your whole word, I mean, outline around it with the yellow, just with a nice thick line. I would lay the tip of it sideways on there so I get a nice thick line, or make a couple thinner lines all the way around your letters, okay? We're not doing anything inside your letters right now, so don't do anything inside there. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my shape outside of there yellow. So I'm going to outline that with the purple color, and you can do this outlining shape however you want. It does not have to go over everything. So watch this. It's going to come through here. Oops. I just made a shape, like just an organic shape. It doesn't have to be anything in particular, okay? You can make it wavy, you can make it pointy, like star points almost, on it. Doesn't matter. Okay, so I've done this part and the outline in the purple, and then with this yellow, carefully, don't go over your purple because it's going to make it kind of a browny black color. If you notice, I'm going around the edges, outlining things. before I get too crazy. Also remember, if you color the same direction, it looks prettier. See, I'm coloring it, running the color the same direction. And I have all my nice lines, nice and neat. I'm kind of excited to see what color schemes you guys come up with. I'd love to see what you do. So feel free to Snapchat, messenger me a picture, send it on email, share it with me through your Chromebook, turn it in. I'll make a graffiti assignment on Google Classroom, so you can do that if you want. Every one of you has a Google Classroom that is art, and there's not a lot in there, of course, but there's places for you to share pictures if you want. Okay, you don't have to. And I would love to see your family pictures if you've done them. And if you haven't, I would really love it if you would do one and send it to me. Even if it's super quick. And it'd be cool if you put something like year of the coronavirus or something like that, because chances are you will never have something like this happen again in your lifetime that is the coronavirus. Now, other things, probably, but you'll only have the coronavirus issue once, probably. Hopefully. That'd be weird if you didn't have it more than one, or have it only once. So there is your next step, all right? After this step, we're going to do some fun stuff on our letters, okay? But that will be for next week, all right? Have a great rest of your week, and thank you for participating.